What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Thank you for tuning in. I have right behind me the one and only LS Ghost, a great member of West Coast Camaros. We appreciate his business and trust. Actually, if you guys didn't know, Tony was our first ever 5th gen to get the ZL1 conversion with us about almost 2 years, a year and a half or so. Unfortunately, he did get in a car accident, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys all the details and the stuff that we did for him. We added the headlights again, the custom lighting, the bumper, the fog light, the paint, and all this good stuff. So let's go over all the details and move forward from there. Alright guys, so we want to go ahead and show you guys exactly what we did with the first step for LS Ghost. Obviously his bumper was fully crashed, it was all destroyed, so we got him our full ZL1 bumper for the 10 to 15 Camaro. It will definitely fit for all those models. And then on top of that, we did the 6th gen headlights, which fits the 10 to 15. The 14 to 15 will fit plug and play, but if you have the 10 to 13 and you get those headlights, there needs to be a special harness. Please contact us for more information on that. And then right on the bottom over here, guys, we got the ZL1 fog light right here for him, so it matches everything and not leaving this gap empty, but you get the whole ZL1 look in a kind of nutshell right here with the headlights, the whole entire bumper, and the ZL1 fog lights. And lastly, obviously, we painted the lip gloss black, and then all around is the OEM white. We are certified painters with PPG. We only use our premium tier in that, so it can last you guys a good long time, and then you guys won't come back for any fading or any sort of trouble on the paint going bad on you guys. Now let's go ahead and show you guys the other step, where when you buy these headlights, there needs to be a special product that needs to be purchased. So let's show you guys what that is exactly. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, one note for you guys, just so you guys are aware, when you guys purchase these headlights from our website, or you guys purchase it locally from us, these headlights do not come with low beams nor high beams, okay? So they just come with the headlight itself. We do offer in our website, we can get the D2S HID kit, which it is available on our website. So you guys can get the whole complete look with it. Remember, again, the headlight does not come with any bulbs. It just comes with the headlight unit, and that's it. You guys need to purchase the HID kit so you guys can have high beams or low beams on the headlight. So that's a very key note for you guys to know. We do have it if you guys don't wish to purchase it and purchase it somewhere else, but just get the headlight. That's another option that's available on our website as well. And also we offer full financing to whatever you guys want to buy from us. So just make sure you guys, when you guys get the headlight, add the HID kit, and if you don't want to buy it, you get it somewhere else, please as well, you can also get the headlights itself without the HID kit. Alright guys, let's show you guys the fun stuff right now. We did a lot of custom lighting for Tony and go over that. Alright guys, so as you can see, we also added another feature with LS Ghost, which he had previous with us, which is the custom headlights. His car got crashed and everything was obviously damaged, so we had to get him the new headlight, all the fog lights. Also, we added the DRL eyebrow right here in our custom lighting, and we added the halo ring as well over here, and we added the ZL1 fog lights with our custom lighting as well. This option is available as well. It is extra on top of the headlights and the HID kit. So if you guys are interested in this, please let us know. But moving forward, let's go ahead and show you guys the app and how everything works. So right now I have it on settings in red. We do have the whole ring available to whatever color you guys wish to do. Also, it has over 200 show mods where you guys can do all the chasing and awesome things with it as well. One of my favorite one is I believe it's 68. This one's really cool. It displays all the colors and does all the awesome motions. but also you got your regular RGB. And on top of that, you have your show mode. So this option is available for you guys if you guys are interested. If you want to turn your headlights into custom lighting, you don't have to get the halo. Some people also just get the DRL and they're happy with that. But it all depends on how you wish to build your headlights with us. We do offer it to out-of-state customers. If you guys wish to do this, all you have to do is ship your headlights to us. We'll do all the action for you and the work, and then we'll ship them back right to you. Installation wise, it's very easy, plug and play. All you gotta do is just wire our drivers up, run the wires and connect them, and then connect the Bluetooth app as well. And that's pretty much it for the headlights and fog lights. And on top of that, everything else is Bluetooth. So other than that, if you guys have any questions on this, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, please contact us via email, sales@autoaddictusa.com, or contact us on Instagram via DM as well. We'll be more than happy to reply back to you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have lots of content as we promised you guys. This is one of them, and we have many more to come as well. Hit that notification bell button so you guys are always alerted when we post a video. And let's see what we got for you next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.